how will I know if I have this low immunity? So we'll talk about immunity and we will stretch our mind about it. And then second, let's discuss about the 6, okay, signs if you have low immunity. How will you know if you have low immunity? Okay, and then we will discuss about how to strengthen if we have low immunity, then other ways we can strengthen our immunity. Okay, now if you're ready, let's go to our number 1 part, which is immunity. Then let's make it simple. Immunity has, okay, 1 word, but if you divide it, slice it into 2 words, what will you find? Like impossible. If you divide it, I'm possible. This one, immunity, is you are what? I'm unity. Okay, I'm in unity. Right? I'm in unity. Our body, about immunity, has 9 parts according to the National Institute of Health. So we need this whole body, okay? This whole body, the 9 parts should be in unity. Because if one part of the immune system, okay, is affected, then everything will be affected. So that's how I look at immunity. Right? I'm unity. So you need the 9 parts to be united. Okay, united. And if you want to know more about the 9 parts of immunity, you can go to National Institute of Health, okay, pubmed.com, 9 parts. And I can give you several parts, like for example, the skin. Okay, the skin is 1 part. Your linings in your nasal or throat is the 2nd part. Even your eyes is part of the immune system. So knowing that, now getting your immunity strong is or must be from better nutrition. Okay, even National Institute of Health advising what? Better nutrition, or immunity can be from better immunity. Okay, hygiene, like today we need hygiene and cleanliness, right? And environmental. So since environmental, there is also 2 words. So achieving good immunity must be what? With our good mentality. Because the next part, in a few minutes, I will discuss the 6 signs or 5 signs. How will I know, or so that you will know you have this low immunity? Okay? Now here's number 1. If you feel that you easily get tired, okay, and weak more often, okay, meaning you easily get tired, you don't know about reasons, that's 1 part. So take note of that. You feel weak, you feel sluggish, and you don't want to work. That's 1 sign. So be careful about that, right? So you need to check. Second is frequent infections. If you get infections easily and frequently, that's another 1 sign. Okay, that's another 1 sign. So that's number 2, frequent infections. There are many cases of infections like UTI. That's another 1, right? Even flu, that's another, okay, infections, and many kinds of infections. So you need to check if you have or get infected easily. Okay, number 3 is wounds are slow to heal. Okay, wounds. If you get cuts and wounds, and it will take you for several months and years to be healed, then there's another problem. Your immunity is very low. This is a sign, okay? Just like what happened to me when I have ingrown, and I tried everything. I put all my knowledge and strength and research on how to take care of this ingrown. It already lasted for 8 months, okay, and it's not getting better. and it's getting dark, and that's the reason why I asked my friend, a doctor in Cebu, and he told me that to call a doctor here, a surgeon, so that I can, you know, ask one doctor here to remove the nail that is hindering or getting infected. So that's one thing that we need to check if it's getting, okay? So it's good that I was able to check that before it's getting bad. Now, number 4 is always have colds. Science presented in Penn University that we can get colds twice or thrice a year. So, thrice a year, not a month. Okay? So, if you get colds, easily get colds almost every day or almost every month, then that's another sign. And you need to be aware of that. So, like the first month of January, we need to take care of our body carefully. We need to follow strict guidelines because, you know, there is another variant. And lastly, the number 5 is stress. That's why I divide the environmental, because getting better immunity is environmental, because part of the guidelines today is ventilation. You need to have good ventilation. So that's environmental. Because if the environment is not good, you have this problem mentally. So stress level, if very high, then what will happen to your immunity is a sign that it's getting low. When your immunity is getting low because of stress level that is coming up, then you are prone to infection. You are prone to other problem, right? And when your immunity is going down, your skin will be turned into the dry and easily get cracked. And that's why when there is wound, it will not be healed easily. Okay, the foreign particles, bacteria, virus can easily penetrate, or chemical substances in your body can easily wound your barrier in our body. This 2021, we need strong immunity. I'm not saying about the inside immunity alone. I'm talking about the 9 parts of our immunity. Okay, the 9 parts, like the skin, the nose, the throat, the lining, the mucus, and the lymphatic system, the bone marrow. They are parts of the immune system. It's not only in the inside, but immunity is from the outside and the inside. That's why immunity, if you break that one word into 2, I'm unity. So we need to have unity with our body. Okay, when our one body is affected, like we mentioned, energy, okay, stress level, about cold, okay, that's inner, wounds, that's outer, frequent infection, that's inner. So in your body, you need to achieve unity. Every part of the system is working together, is going better, right? Now, here's the bonus. Since you are staying longer, then I have this bonus for you, ways to boost your immune system. So number 1 is you need to eat balanced diet. Okay, you need to balance your food. It's not always refined. Okay, if you don't know about refined food, then refined meaning it's highly no fiber in it. The opposite of refined is no fiber in it. Okay, so you need to have balanced diet in every meal. Second, you need to have good sleep. Okay, good sleep. Good sleep to some is deep sleep. The rapid eye movement is not there. They are really having a deep sleep. Okay, and third is exercise. Okay, regularly. You need to move your body. Okay, 7 minutes, the less every day. Okay, exercise, move your body. and that will help your immunity to be in good circulation. It keep on moving because lymphatic is one of the part of immune system. Okay, wash your hands, wash your face mask, social distancing, that's hygiene, right? And today we are also waiting for the vaccine. Maintain a healthy weight. Okay, that's how we can boost our immune system. Maintain our weight. Why is it that we need to maintain weight? Because circulation needs clear pathway. Okay, that's very simple explanation. Then, do not smoke. Okay, that's one of the advice that we can get from authorities, okay, from health experts, and try to minimize stress. Okay, so lastly is that we need to have strong immunity, and when I talk about strong immunity, it's not only the immune system that is the inside, the lymphatic, the white blood cells, okay, but we need the entire, not just the tissues, but the organs, because the 9 parts includes tissues, organs, okay, of the body, and also the cells. So we are not only talking about the immune system or the immune cells, but the entire body that should be united in function. When your body have united in function, then that's, we can say that we achieve strong immunity from the skin, okay, to the tissues, to the cells, and to the organ. This is Dr. Dorwin Lajot, okay, nutritional medicine contractor. So our question is, how will I know if I can have low immunity? So we have given you, 5 signs if our immune system is getting down and low. And we have some ways to boost our immune system. Okay, if you need support about increasing the immune system or boosting your immune system, if you cannot eat balanced food, then you need to have support. And this support, you can get it from supplements. You can get it from whole food that can support you. Okay, and in our office, we are using the this Edmark way. The Edmark way is the easiest and the most convenient way for you, okay, to be supported when you have lack, okay, of something, like you cannot eat vegetables, you cannot achieve the average requirement, you cannot balance your diet, you cannot get you don't have enough support for your exercise, okay, and you cannot maintain your healthy weight, then this Edmark way can help you. So if you are interested, would it be okay? This coming January 4, 2021, okay, we'll have our presentation, orientation, and this is the only way where you can get the details about supporting your boosting your immune system, to balance your diet, to maintain your healthy weight, and also to help you minimize stress, to support enough and good sleep. And while exercising, you need energy and support while repairing and putting your health up. Comment below and we will get back to you. So thank you so much. This is Dr. Dorwin Lajot, and thank you so much for watching Kumisa Gugila. Thank you so much. And what's your takeaway, Miss DZM Gugila? And also Mila Bautista, may agaw. Thank you so much for watching. Kumusta? Kosaman Ara Ali. And thank you so much. If you watch this live, please type 1. If you are watching this recorded, then please type 2. And thank you so much. And may the Almighty Creator bless you today and grant you good health and safety. And I also thank for my admin okay, my wife Cecil for assisting this live video. And this is Dr. Dorwin Lajot. Alhamdulillah.